Alright guys, so as you can see, I have my beauty blenders that I am going to be cleaning today. Now, I don't even remember what color these things were. So I guess that will be the mystery. But if you'd like to see how I clean these guys and find out the mystery color, just keep watching. Alright, so the products I'm going to be using today are some Dawn dish soap. Now this is really gentle on your makeup brushes or your makeup sponges, so I like to use that. Also, I'm going to be using some organic extra virgin olive oil today. That's going to help me get that buildup of makeup off of my sponges. I have a little bowl here that I'm going to be using to clean. I'm going to be using these bowls for my olive oil, and that's pretty much going to help me remove some makeup off of those sponges before I actually get to deep cleaning them. So I'm going to pour in olive oil. Filthy, dirty sponge, and that's going in there. Pretty much what I'm going to do is just rub that guy all around. Look at all of that. That's just gonna get those products working. And here is the second sponge. Look, all that makeup on my fingers. That's so disgusting. Alright, and we're just going to start doing the exact same thing with that one. Alright, now I got both of the sponges in my cleaning bowl. As you can see, some of the product is kind of sticking to the bowl because of the olive oil. It's kind of breaking it down. So now I'm going to turn my water on. I'm not going to be talking during this part because the water is going to be loud. But I'm going to turn the water on. I'm going to put some dish soap in my hand. And then I'm going to begin the cleaning process. Now I am going to be using hot water, so make sure that your water is hot enough for you to clean, because you don't want to take all day cleaning with cold water. All right. All right, now after about 5 to 10 minutes, this is what my sponges look like so far. Now, there's just some water in there. A little bit of soap, but that's okay. So this is what they look like so far. And I say so far because I am going to take this a little step further. I say if you've come this far, just keep going. Alright, so now you're going to get your sponges. You're going to put some more olive oil and some more of that dish soap on top of your sponges. And then you're gonna take that boiling hot water and pour it on top. All right, so now I'm gonna let that sit for about a couple minutes, and then I'm going to come back. Now let's just take a look at how dirty this water is after it's been sitting for a couple minutes. That is crazy. All right, guys, and here is the finished result. As you can see, the one on the right is a little older, so it's got some tears in it, but man, like that deep cleaning did the job. All right, and there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified anytime I drop a new video. Until next time, bye.